Okay, so we're going to go ahead and look at the last little bit of the study guide. So we're starting on number 27, and we're going to try to get all the way through 30 on this one. So here we go. So for 27, for lead 207, how many protons, neutrons, and electrons does this isotope have? I left out a word. Okay, lead the symbol is Pb, by the way. On the test next week, if you are on site, you will have a periodic table with you. If you are online, you will need to have access to a periodic table. You either need to have one pulled up somewhere or print one out. If you need one, email me and I'll get you one, and you can come by the office and pick it up. But you may want to have a periodic table handy. Okay, so for lead 207, tell how many protons, neutrons, and electrons this isotope has. So this is lead. The fact that it's lead 207, this number here is the mass. Okay, and we know that mass is protons plus neutrons. So now we just need to figure out how many protons it has. Well, if you know that you're dealing with lead and you look on your periodic table and we find lead here, lead is right there, and the proton number is just the whole number. Okay, so the proton number is 82. So it's going to have 82 protons. And if we know it has 82 pluses, what else do we know? 82 minuses, 82 electrons. So how do you get your neutron number then? Well, if 207 comes from protons plus neutrons, you just take 207 minus the proton number. So 207 minus 82, what is that? 2, is that 125? I hope. Okay, so 125 is, if my math is wrong. I know, I get it. Anyways, so 125 is the number of neutrons. So there's your particle count. And then the next question says, for an atom, so number 28, for an atom with 11 protons, 11 electrons, 12 neutrons, identify the element. Again, if you know proton number, you're just going to look at your periodic table. So you find number 11. Oops. Find number 11. And it happens to be right there in the corner, or as an example. But number 11 is way over here on this side of the chart. So number 11 is sodium, Na. So 11 protons, we're talking about sodium. And it says write the nuclear symbol. So Na, the nuclear symbol means you're going to have the atomic mass on top and the proton number on the bottom. So my protons, we said you have 11. Okay, and then on top, how do you get mass number? You add protons plus neutrons. So I'm going to add protons plus neutrons. So that's going to be 23 on top for this isotope. Okay, draw the atomic diagram. We're going to put all those protons and neutrons in the center. So 11 protons and so what would that be? 12 neutrons in the center. And then on the outside, there's our 11 electrons. Okay. And then write the hyphen notation. Hyphen notation is just the name. So sodium, hyphen, and then the mass, which the mass we said is 23. So sodium dash 23. And then 29, how do you find atomic number? That's just proton number. Atomic number means protons. And then atomic mass, it's the protons plus the neutrons. That's what we're going to do for this mass. All right. Hope that helps. If you have questions, let me know. But you've got to be able to do all that on your tests. So good luck.